This for 5 minutes and never lose your balance. Even at 100, Senior Health Tips. My name is Dr. Narjas Duma from the USA. Please support our channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. What if just 5 minutes a day could be the difference between a confident stride and a life-altering stumble, no matter your age? This isn't about complex gymnastics. It's about reawakening a natural, fundamental ability that connects you to the world, your inherent sense of balance. But for so many, this connection quietly fades. More often than not, the real culprit is simple disuse. The systems that keep us upright crave consistent, gentle conversation. Without it, they grow quiet. And that's when fear begins to whisper. Fear of a wet floor, fear of a crowded sidewalk, fear of your own shadow. Today, we begin rewriting that story. A underlying worry about a fall isn't just a nuisance, it's a thief of freedom. It's time to get it back. But what if I told you that steadiness isn't a lottery you lose with time? It's a physical skill you can rebuild starting today. Much like learning to ride a bike or play an instrument, your body is an astonishingly adaptable instrument, waiting for the right signals. And in this video, we'll begin that journey together with 2 revealing assessments and a set of gentle, powerful exercises designed not to exhaust, but to educate your muscles and nerves. First, we must establish an honest baseline. You cannot improve what you do not first observe and understand. We'll do 2 simple checks to map your current stability landscape. Think of it as a diagnostic for your foundation, a way to listen to what your body is telling you before we ask it to learn something new. This isn't a pass or fail exam. It's a conversation starter. Before we start this conversation, however, safety is our absolute priority, our non-negotiable rule. Please stand in a corner of a room, or have a sturdy chair or wall within instant reach. This creates a safe harbor. If you feel unsteady at any point, use your support without hesitation. This process is about building awareness and trust, not endurance or ego. We are laying the groundwork for confidence, and that begins with feeling utterly secure. First check is called the line stand. This elegant little test reveals volumes about how well your nervous system manages a narrow base of support, which is exactly what happens with every single step you take while walking. Position your feet heel to toe in a straight line, as if you are standing on a narrow painted stripe or a balance beam. Gently extend your arms out to your sides, like the wings of an airplane. Your goal is to hold this aligned position for a full 30 seconds. Ready? Let's begin now. Keep your gaze fixed on a single point on the wall ahead of you. Stand tall, as if a string is gently pulling you up from the crown of your head. You feel those tiny, almost vibrational adjustments in your feet and ankles? That's good. That's your stabilizers having a conversation, making micro corrections. They are talking. If you start to sway significantly, simply lightly touch your support to reset. Remember, we're measuring and observing, not martyring ourselves. This is science, not suffering. And 30 seconds. Stop. Gently bring your feet back to a comfortable hip-width stance. How did that feel if you held it with minimal sway? That's excellent data. If it was a significant challenge, that is equally valuable data. It's our clear starting point. And it's perfectly okay. Every expert was once a beginner. Now a question naturally arises from this first test. Are you ready for a slightly greater challenge to gather more information? Or would it be wiser for us to move straight into the strengthening work? Live into your instinct. For our second assessment, stand sideways beside your support. Now slowly lift one foot just an inch or 2 off the floor, bending your knee so your foot comes up behind you. Feel that subtle tremor or shake in your standing leg. That is not weakness. That is awakening. Those are dormant muscle fibers and neural pathways being called to duty. Breathe steadily. Your brain needs oxygen to manage this task. The precise moment your other foot touches down or your hand grabs for support, mentally note the time. Gently lower your foot back to the floor. Let's interpret your scores together. For individuals in their 50s, aiming for 30 seconds or more is a strong target. So, where did you land on this map? This is a great moment for reflection. Pause right here and tell me in the comments below. You could write something like, Maria, 68 from Toronto, held for 22 seconds. Your shared story creates a community and could genuinely inspire someone else who is watching and feeling uncertain. You are not alone in this journey. Now, we move to the truly transformative part, the training. Let's activate and strengthen the very systems that keep you upright. We will walk through 5 foundational movements, each one building upon the last. I encourage you to do them in this order. This is a symphony, not a random playlist. Movement 1, the controlled lift. For this, face your chair or wall, standing about an arm's length away. Stand tall, your core gently engaged. As if you are about to receive a soft hug around your midsection, slowly raise one knee, creating a neat right angle at your hip. Pause for a single, calm breath at the top. Then, with deliberate control, lower your foot back to the floor. That resistance against gravity is the key. What are common errors here? Moving too quickly, turning it into a march, or letting your hip jut out to the side for counterbalance. Instead, imagine this string pulling you up from the crown of your head, keeping you long and aligned. Perform 10 of these controlled lifts per side, prioritizing quality over quantity every single time. Before we continue, if this guidance is proving valuable, please consider liking this video. That helps share it with others seeking greater stability and confidence. Thank you. Movement 2, the lateral raise. Turn sideways so your support is to your left or right. This targets the gluteus medius, the crucial hip stabilizer, and keeping your torso upright. Lift your leg out to the side to a comfortable height. We are not seeking height. We are seeking controlled engagement. Avoid swinging the leg like a pendulum or leaning your upper body. The work should be felt on the side of your standing hip. You could form 10 thoughtful repetitions per side. This is a small movement with massive implications for a steady gait. Movement 3, the ankle pump. Return to facing your chair. This deceptively simple movement is a dual powerhouse for your foundational ankles and your overall circulation. Place your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your knees soft, never locked. Slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as is comfortable. Feel the beautiful tension engage all through your calf muscles. Then, smoothly roll back through your foot to plant your heels firmly down, this time lifting your toes up toward your shins. Move with the rhythm of a gentle rolling wave. Up, hold for a beat, back, hold for a beat. Did you know that physiologists often refer to your strong calf muscles as your second heart? This isn't just a catchy phrase. With every contraction, they act as a powerful pump, pushing deoxygenated blood from your legs back up toward your heart, fighting gravity. So this one graceful movement simultaneously builds essential balance strength and supports your vascular health. Perform 15 of these slow rhythmic rocks, connecting to the profound work happening within. Movement 4, the pattern step. This exercise is where we build crucial, often overlooked coordination. It may feel a bit awkward at first, and that is completely normal. It means you're learning. Stand on your left leg, lightly holding your support for security. With your right foot, we are going to lightly tap the floor in 3 distinct places, creating a triangle. First, tap it directly in front of your left foot. Then, tap it out to the right side. Finally, and this is the key coordination challenge, carefully cross your right leg over to tap the floor on the left side of your left foot. Then return to the start. So the pattern is forward tap, side tap, cross tap, and return. This intricate drill trains your brain and body to communicate efficiently during complex real-world movements, like turning in a tight kitchen space or navigating around furniture without tripping over your own feet. It's teaching your limbs to know where they are in space, a sense called proprioception. Do 8 of these sequential patterns per leg, moving with patience and precision. Through these movements, a powerful truth emerges. Your body's innate stability is a language, a dialogue between your brain, muscles, and nerves that your body is deeply waiting to remember and fluently speak again. Movement 5. The weighted sway. Our final integration movement is about cultivating trust and unifying your balance systems. Stand with your feet planted wide, wider than your shoulders, giving yourself a stable, supportive base. Keep your knees softly bent. Begin swaying. Once you find a smooth, steady rhythm, if you feel perfectly safe, I invite you to try closing your eyes. Simple act removes your primary visual crutches and forces your inner ear vestibular system and your proprioceptive sense to take the lead, to truly listen and guide you. If you need to, keep a fingertip on your chair for reassurance that it's still excellent training. Sway with your eyes closed for 30 to 40 seconds, gradually building your tolerance for this sensory-rich environment. If any dizziness arises, simply open your eyes. There's no prize for pushing through vertigo. This is gentle education, dear Niprasiska. And we are complete. Wonderful, dedicated work. Take a deep, full breath in, and release it with a sigh. Smile. You have just given your body a profound gift of proactive, intelligent care. Have you feel in this moment lighter, more connected to the ground beneath you, more aware of your own body's capabilities? Remember this principle: consistency in practice, not sporadic intensity, is what truly rewires your neural pathways and rebuilds your balance for the long term. If you felt unsteady or clumsy during any of these exercises today, please understand that this is not only normal, it is expected. You are quite literally waking up a physiological system that has been on standby, and the initial signals might be fuzzy. Practicing this short, focused routine daily can yield noticeable, tangible changes in your physical confidence within a few weeks. The looming fear of a staircase can fade into a simple task. Your walk to the mailbox can feel more assured and free. Share in the comments below which specific movement you found the most revealing or interesting. And to keep building your health alongside a supportive community, be sure to subscribe to Wines of Thought for more thoughtful, actionable guides to lifelong vitality. Thank you for your valuable time and for your dedication to your own strength. Stand strong, and I will see you in the next one.